Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today's video is all about creating the perfect gift basket, a thoughtful, personalized way to show someone you care. Whether you are looking for ideas for a birthday party, holiday, or just a special purpose, I will guide you step by step to design a beautiful creative gift basket that anyone would love to receive. So, grab your materials and let's get started on making something truly special. Here's our starting point, just a simple old basket. You can use any size or shape you like. To transform this basket, you'll need golden acrylic paint, a brush or a sponge, and some old newspaper. Plastic also can be used to protect your workplace. Let's get started. I am using golden acrylic paint because it gives a beautiful shiny finish that can elevate any item. You can find this at most craft stores. Apply the paint evenly using a brush or a sponge. Don't worry if the first coat looks thin, it's normal. Let it dry for about 30 minutes and then add a second coat for full coverage. Once you've painted the entire basket, let it dry completely. Usually it will take around an hour depending on the paint you are using. Now start by filling the basket with crumpled old newspaper. The newspaper will act as a filler, giving your basket some height and structure. If you have any thermocol, add that on the top of the newspaper. This creates a firm, even base to work with. Take a piece of satin cloth and drape it over the newspaper and thermocol. This adds a touch of elegance and hides the filler material underneath. With the base ready, it's time to carefully arrange the items you want to put inside the basket. Whether it's gift, decoration, or everyday item, make sure to place them gently to avoid disturbing the base. Start with the large items and then add smaller ones to fill the gaps. Keep the arrangement balanced and visually appealing. Now it's time to bring this basket to life. Start by adding some flowers, real or artificial. Place them on top of the satin base to add color and charm. Arrange the flower symmetrically or in cluster depending on your look you want. To finish the decoration, take some netting and gently drape it over and around the basket. This gives a soft, elegant touch. You can use whatever material you have at home for your best use. You can tie the net with a bow or leave it flowing for a more dramatic effect. It's all about your personal style. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY ideas and share your creations in the comments below. And here it is, a beautiful decorated basket, perfect for gifting. Hope you have liked today's video. Do like and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.